Okay, let's look at the question. Two variables, okay, x, y, related to the equation given there. So from here, what I need to do is, I need to sketch y against 1 over x. Okay, this is y, okay, against x. Okay, x. I want y against 1 over x, meaning to say your graph will be y here, 1 over x here. There is already a clue given, okay, meaning to say your y-axis is y. Your x-axis is now not x, is 1 over x. Okay, how to get this equation? You look back at the equation given. Okay, now I have y equals to 5 over x plus 2. Let's try to make it look linear. Linear means what? Like that. Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, from here I know inside here is still y. Okay, I take out 5. In the box I put 1 over x, and my plus c is 2. Okay, question says sketch. When I sketch, straight line must have two things. Okay, gradient, intercept. So from here, you realize that the gradient is m equals to 5 and intercept equals to 2. Okay, so how to draw? Number 1, intercept is 2, right? I know here is 2. Okay, next I need to find another point. Okay, since given gradient is 5, what I can do is to find the point here. Okay, I sub in something equals to 0. Okay, at x-axis y is 0. Okay, so this question is y equals to mx plus c, where now my gradient and intercept is 5x plus 2. Okay, next I know that the value, okay, gradient is 2, 5 written down already. Over here y is 0, so at 0 5x plus 2. Okay, x is negative 2 over 5. Okay, negative 2 over 5. So therefore my graph will look like that, straight line. Okay, straight line. Right, now let's try and attempt the next question. Okay, now for next question, just give me a minute. Okay, next question. Diagram shows two particular points on straight line. Okay, and you realize that the axis, this is xy, this is x cubed. Okay, express y as a function of x means at the end of the day, I want you to find what is the equation when y is the subject. This is my straight line graph already. I need to find the original graph when it is not straight line. Okay, now you realize that when it's straight line, I tend to write in terms of this. Okay, y equals to mx plus c. Okay, from the straight line, there are two things you can find. Number 1, gradient. Number 2, intercept. Okay, now intercept is very obvious here, is 1. Okay, the gradient is not obvious. Okay, so what you need to do is find m. Okay, so from here, gradient equals to y2 minus y1. I take 4 minus 2 over negative 3 minus negative 1. Okay, and I get 2 over negative 2. Answer is negative 1. Alright, next, since I know gradient is negative 1, I put inside here negative x equals to y. Okay, now originally the y-axis is xy, right? So I put inside here xy. X, capital X, is x power 3 plus 1. Okay, repeat. Question wants you y as a function of x, so it must look like this. So difference from this to this, I just need to divide both sides by x. So I get y equals to negative x squared minus 1 over x. Okay, and that is my answer, okay, for this question. Alright, okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, once again, I need you to find y in terms of x. Okay, now again, for this question, the equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, c is obvious, 0. Okay, gradient is 4 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. Alright, so answer is 2. So here 2x equals to y. Okay, now originally capital Y is log y equals to 2 log x. Okay, question states express y as a factor of x. So answer must be y equals to something. Okay, cannot be log y. Cannot be log y. So what I need to do is, from here, okay, I bring up the log first. Sorry, I bring up the power first. Log x squared. Okay, why I bring up the power? Now you realize there is one term, log. Okay, nothing in front of the log. So what can I do? Okay, I can have y equals to x squared. Alright, so this is my final answer. Okay, okay, for now I shall stop here for the first 3 questions. Next questions, okay, following questions you will have to plot a graph. Okay, so I will use a video to teach you how to do this part. Alright.